Looking for a rice substitute that's healthy and easy to make? Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we explore a variety of healthy recipes to support you and your loved ones on your own unique health journey. Today, we're going to be making a tangy cauliflower rice. Take your onion, slice off both ends, and then go ahead and remove the outer layer. Slice it lengthwise. Slice it all the way down. Take your lemon, slice it lengthwise, and then make little slits into the fruit. That just helps make it easier to squeeze out the juice. And then you're going to squeeze the juice right through your fingers so that you can catch the seeds. Take your whole cauliflower and you're going to want to cut off most of the stem, as much as you can get off. And then remove any of the leaves that might still be there. Okay, and then you're going to break off pieces. They don't have to be super small since we're going to be putting them into your food processor. Okay, now we're going to turn these lovely little cauliflower florets into little bite-sized pieces about the same size as rice. So, put some into your food processor. I think I'm going to do half and half, so in 2 batches. Put your lid on, and then you're going to want to pulse it. See, that's about the size that you're looking for. Take your frying pan and turn the heat up to about medium-high, and then go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of the oil that you're using. You can either use olive oil or coconut oil. Those are 2 really good oils. And you're going to want to go ahead and heat the oil up all over the pan until it just begins to start smoking, and then we're going to go ahead and add our onions in. Go ahead and cook it for about 8 minutes until the onion gets nice and soft. I'm going to go ahead and add my cauliflower. And then stir that really well. Get all of the cauliflower coated with the oil and the onions. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. And stir that in well. And as you're stirring, go ahead and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cauliflower softens. Okay, let's give this a try. That's really good. And I usually don't like lemon. That's really good. Give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new recipes and to keep your recipes new and interesting.